Hey Rosie, hey Maria, did you hear an eclipse is coming up soon? Do you ever wonder how an eclipse happens? Also, why do they go west to east? Well, let's find out. Good. All right, Patches. Okay, Carmela, and the rest of you kids. How does an eclipse happen? Well, let's start this way. Let's pretend the camera is the sun. Carmela, you are the Earth, and Patches here, you're the moon. So whenever eclipse happens, because the moon goes in front of the Earth, and it casts a shadow because the moon is coming in between the sun and the Earth, and a shadow is cast on Carmela, the Earth today. See how that works? And that's how an eclipse happens. Maybe a picture would help. The Earth goes around the sun, but also the moon goes around the Earth. And occasionally the moon comes between the Earth and the sun, and when it does, it casts a shadow on the Earth. And that is how an eclipse happens. Okay, Annie, why does eclipse go west to east? Well, now you are the moon. Today, Patches the Earth. Again, the camera's the sun. Now, in our sky, we see the moon go east to west. That's because we see it go that way. Actually, the moon travels the same direction that the Earth rotates, counterclockwise. When the Earth rotates on its axis this way, counterclockwise, the moon also goes the same direction around the Earth, which is counterclockwise, like this. But you say, but wait a minute. The Earth goes that way, moon goes that way, but I see the moon going across the sky east-west. That's because it takes a little over 27 days for the moon to go around the Earth, but the Earth rotates once on its axis every 24 hours, which is 1 day. Isn't that crazy? So, whenever the moon comes this way and it's between the sun and the Earth, it's traveling this direction. See? The moon is traveling this direction, and the shadow goes that way across the Earth. Isn't that crazy? But that's why. Maybe another picture would help. Remember, an eclipse happens because the moon's shadow falls upon the Earth because the moon is between the Earth and the sun. But you ask, but wait, I see the sun rise in the east, set in the west. I see the moon rise in the east and set in the west. But remember this too. The sun, in relation to us, doesn't move. The sun is at the center of our solar system, and it doesn't move. But our Earth, since it rotates once a day, it rotates west to east, it looks like the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Same difference with the moon. The moon rises east and sets in the west. But because it moves so slowly, once every 27 days around the Earth, that's why it looks like it's moving east to west. Remember, Maria, on the eclipse day, never look at the sun during the eclipse. It'll hurt your eyes. But you can look at the eclipse if you have glasses or something else that an adult tells you that it's okay to look through, but also adults out there, do not give glasses for children to look at unless they are approved glasses to look at eclipses, because it will hurt your eyes. So that's the safety for today. Never look an eclipse directly with your eyes unless you have protection. Got it, Maria? Promise? Good, thank you. If you like these videos, please click like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And remember, never stop learning and keep exploring.